Okay, Shadow Puppet 2, Part 2, Mustang GT versus Lamborghini. Okay, we got a head-to-head going here into the tunnels. Both got prepared. Game. Excuse me. I'll take it here. Pretty good. I shockwaved him. Oh! He shockwaved me in the face. Oh! Left me for the police. Police station. Oh, we gotta see that. Vehicle repaired. Cop shockwave. Let's start this race again. So we picked up another heading towards the bridges, and it was awesome. But through an editing error, I lost the bridges to nowhere. I really launched off the first. Lever tugboat. I launched off the first arch, awesome. The second arch, I launched myself into the ocean. It was pretty cool. But jump ahead to the next set of tunnels. I think he's pretty far behind. I won another one. Oh, we're starting again. So, Mr. Lethal Rapper just challenged me again. And there he is. He's awesome. He's fast. So I barely caught up to him there, but he spun there, and I get to come in here and take one last gas. Pit stop, fill up my nitrous, and catch up to him again. Launch. Mustang, of course. I don't know where Rapper went, but I get to another filling station. Oh, well, I beat him again and I had to head. Go to the filling station and slow down, give him a chance to catch up. Okay, he's back there. Oh, there's a cop. I don't think we started head yet, but he's back there at the EMP. Cops are all over me. We're at level 6 here. I thought I lost him for good. So, these cops are all over me. Level 6. Boom, I'm EMP twice in a row. And then rammed. I'm going to be critical here soon. I'm getting beat up, so I take the jump. On the roof. Looking for the hideout. And Grills get a bag, 75,000 points in a GT against a Lamborghini. Oh, that was fun. That was the Grand Tour. So, another one from the Gorilla.